Why are there not more people talking about how to make coding practice feel less like homework and more like a game? Most advice is just do it, but what if we could actually enjoy it? Stick around for your daily coding cheat sheet. Here's the truth. Consistency beats cramming. But staring at the same tutorial every day, fast lane to quitting. The trick? Mix it up. Start with quick coding challenges. Think LeetCode or Codewars. They're bite-sized, often addictive, and you can easily squeeze one into your lunch break. Some even have leaderboards, so you get that sweet gamified rush. Next, try mini projects you actually care about. Build a calculator, a to-do app, or a silly chatbot. Personal projects let you flex your creativity and keep things interesting. Don't forget to read other people's code. Platforms like GitHub or Replit are gold mines for inspiration and learning new tricks. Seeing how others solve problems gives your brain a fresh workout. Set a micro goal for each day, just 15 or 20 minutes. The key is showing up, not burning out. Want extra motivation? Join an online community. Coding forums, Discord groups, or even Twitter mean you can share wins, ask questions, and get feedback. Finally, keep your schedule flexible. Some days you'll crush an hour, others just a quick challenge, and that's totally fine. So, if you want to level up your coding without the snooze or stress, mix it up, keep it social, and make it playful. The best coder is the one who never stops practicing.